Okay, so we're out here in the snow to do the maiden flight of the Kraftei ME 163. Now, this is my first time flying with elevons, first time flying something that even resembles a wing, so we're gonna see how she goes. Let's get going. All right, now, as you've noticed, this plane has no landing gear, so we're gonna have to be doing a discus launch. Here we go.
Graceful, all things said.
All right, let me go get her.
Whoa.
All right, well, I broke the prop on that landing, but honestly, I'm happy to have her back in one piece. I probably should have set more dual rates, maybe some expo. She was really hard to handle in the air and really fast. It's a fun little plane. Once you get dialed in, I'm sure it's gonna be great. Take a little practice. Again, this is my first wing, so bear with me as we get it all ironed out, but I look forward to flying this plane more. Till I get back out, keep flying.